Hi everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamminw with Yarn. I'd like to welcome you today to day 14 of my holiday advent calendar. And me and my little friend say happy holidays to you and your family. So let's get started. Let's see what in the pink box or the red box. Sock number 14. Okay, we are just going to I'm just going to pick one. Let's do number 3. Let's not pay it. Let's see what it is. It's a little doggy. Oh my goodness. I think this is going to be cute if it's a little dog on there. Let's see if we can pop that just a little bit. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What is it? Oh, I was hoping it was a little dog. But this is cute. Oh, this one is cute. The little Christmas tree. Okay, I know every time I open this particular box, I say, that is so little. I gotta remember they're gonna stretch. Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. I don't know the rest of it. Da 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 da. Da da da. So, that is day 14. Beautiful trees. And I want you guys to, what else did I do? I'm working on a hat. Let me just share that with you guys. I had started a hat, hoping that I get it done by Christmas. No particular person or reason, just to try to get back in the groove of it. And so it is red, and I think this is, the yarn, I'll put it at the bottom. It's just a, I think it's a 1 by 2 rib, maybe. And then just knitting all the way up. And what I forgot was, because I haven't did any yarny stuff, I forgot to change the needles. I was like, why is this taking so long? Because normally I go into a bigger needle. But I didn't, so it's taking a little bit longer because it's very tight. Okay, so I am working on a hat. And I'm thinking possibly, if you guys remember these little keychains here, to put this pom-pom on the top. I don't know, just to change it up. I don't know, I may do that, or I may just put a white one or a gray one. I don't know. But anyway, I am working on a hat. Hopefully I'll have this finished by the end of this vlog, by the end of this advent calendar. I did do a little shopping for me. I am a little bit nerdy about pencils. These are my favorite pencils here. Nothing important. Sharpie markers, the fine point, index cards, because I'm constantly trying to study and get my brain back into functioning order. And I do have some future goals. Hopefully I can meet those goals. And 79-cent pencil sharpeners. I think about 2 of them. Highlighter. And a little pouch. Time to just grab. But what was most important for me is this this simplified weekly planner, because I don't have the calendar for 2021. So I figured, let's get this. So it's a calendar, and it I like it because, you know, it has the full month there, but also it has a small check. I don't know if you can see it. The to-do list right here. You can check them off. I like that. I like those type of things. So that is what I got for me today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, or have a wonderful day, depending on when you're watching this. And take care of yourself until tomorrow. I'll see you then.